Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a quick haul to share with you. I just got it in and this is my order from Nurse Tara. This is the from her shop, Urban Jems. So let me just show you what she did. Look what she did. Urban Jems. Killing with craftiness. Crafty girl. I love this picture. She put happy here. Look at this die cut, this bow. She got her little gem over here. And it says create beauty. So very happy. So cute. Urban Jems right there. Her little logo. Urban Jems. And it's www.urbangems.com. If you guys want to check that out. Let me just get this thing open. I'm so excited. She was doing her live and I left her live because she was talking about her shop. And I went and ordered from her shop. I was like, I couldn't wait. So excited. Yes, girl. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells so pretty. You guys. I got my sweet stories. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, there's her mix. Oh, is that a mix? Is it a mix? Let me see. I don't know. Don't listen to me right now. Right, everything. And she put a card in here and she put some goodies in here. Look at her rosettes. So cute. A pineapple day keeps the worries away. Made with love. That is so cute. And it's minis, you guys. It's like a 2-inch rosette. It sure is. 2-inch rosette. That's so pretty. Oh, I got goosebumps. Ooh. I got my card. Oh, look at the front. Oh, that's so cute. You know, I'm going to keep all this, right, girl? I'm going to keep every single thing. Oh, this must be the sweet story cards. Yes, I have a card. I have her card. This is her card. I don't know, but 10 off the next order. Oh my God, I'll be so happy to use that. Yes. And there is her card. And she's on IG and YouTube, my OG. I hope you guys got that. It says, Eileen, thank you so much for your purchase and support my small business. I hope you love your new goodies and gifts I've included. Thank you again for helping me with my live. Oh, girl, you did amazing with no help from me. Encouraging everyone to check out my shop. Yes. Yes, girl. That's what we're here for. Oh. Start long pressure. Yes, I'm so excited. Oh my God, it's a goosebumps you can't. Into the vault and includes special shaker card I created. Oh my gosh. Oh, big hugs, Tara. Thank you. P.S. I apologize for shipping delay. Usually ship same day next. Oh, you're fine. You are so perfectly fine, girl. Yes, you had to enjoy that. I was expecting you to enjoy that. She said she took a few days for her anniversary. Oh, I ain't gonna complain about that. No, no, no. Oh my, you guys, I got a card. Oh my God, it's a cute shaker card. I think these are the 3x3 cards. Am I wrong? Who cares, right? Oh, look at, she put her little note thing in here. Oh, that is so cute. Ah, she put a note. Pull this card out of the vault just for you. Thank you for being so helpful. Oh, baby. I got you, girl. Getting to know you. Yes. 3D projects in your life. So much fun. Thank you, Tara. Girl, little do you know how much you OGs, and I mean OGs, back in the day when I started watching YouTube, I didn't dare put my crafts up. And Louisa, Elizabeth, Nurse Tara, Erica, Scrap Diva 29, Crafty Queen. Yes, all y'all ladies, Tara. Oh my gosh, you guys you don't even know. If you're new to the crafty community, those are the ladies you need to check out. I would say a few more names, but I think some of them don't even do videos anymore. Mainly probably because of the Copa crap, but this is so cute, guys. This is washi or sticker, one of the two, but it's cute. I like this idea. So the card, instead of a card, you get a shaker, which is so freaking cute. I think I even saw her make one of these. Not this particular one, but she was showing, I think she has a video showing how she does this. Or she shared like a crafty share. So pretty, but anyway, I have days to look at these. I will take days to look at these because, oh my God. Look at this mix. Pastel Iridescent. I haven't even seen this at Cartwright. That is beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to keep every single piece in there. And she gave me, or I ordered Stardust. And I think this one is Unicorn. Yep. Which one do I have? Do I have Stardust? Oh, I have Crystal. I have Crystal and Stardust. Okay, that's what I had. I don't have Unicorn. Unicorn, you see the difference? So this is Crystal, this is Stardust, and this right here is Unicorn. You see the color difference? I hope you guys can see the color difference. But just that slight difference in color. Oh, yes, baby. That's going right up here with my stickles when I open it. And hopefully it doesn't fall down like usual. But look, I got ephemera. So I have 12 by 12 sheets from scrapbook.com. And I already used it up, like making the shoes. I used some of it up. At the time I ordered those papers, they were only available as individual sheets. So I got 2 of, you know, the whole set. And they had no ephemera. And look at what she has. I think I did get the bows though. Scrapbook.com did have the bows. They just didn't have all of these. And I got the puffy sticker. Oh my God, Eileen, you're ridiculous. And you got the puffy stickers. Oh my goodness. I'm squeezing every single puffy sticker. Whatever, it's mine now. And then the ephemera, we get all of this. I think these are acetate. Yeah, acetate pieces. You get 1, 2, you get how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9 acetate pieces. And then the rest is paper. Look at that marble tag. That is amazing. I love that. I'd open it up, but I don't have a lot of time. So I wanted to make sure I get this and edit and, you know, edit and share and tag Nurse Tara, because this is the only place I could find it, man. Scrapbook.com did not have any of that. And then I picked up this collection, which is, what is this? This is Dear Lizzie? No, Surfboard. Yay! Surfboard. Look at her stickers. I love her stickers. Oh my God. Okay, guys, I don't know. I got interrupted. So here it is. So this is Sweet Story. I can't wait to use these bad boys. And this is the Prima collection. This is Surfboard. I think this is, no, is this Frank Garcia's collection? Girl, I love that you have the collection. This is so cool. This is the best way to get it, guys. Surfboard, yes. Look at this. Oh, I love these. I love these. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys saw my Christmas with the Santa baby. And I didn't even have the full collection. I had a D-stash collection. So basically I had the leftovers. But oh man, she still had some cards and I used it. And it was so fun using them in my my Christmas projects. Because they're like perfect size. And if you don't have something, you could cut it out. But look at this. Oh, I love it. Look at the colors, guys. Oh, this is awesome. Mermaid off duty. Hello, Summer. Look at the back. Oh, I love that. Oh, I can't wait. I'm not done with summer. I'm gonna create some more summer stuff. But look at that. The ocean is calling. Oh, paradise found. Oh, I love it. Look at that pink. Oh, pineapple day. Oh, that's the one she used. That's the one she used. I was wondering, what collection is that? That is so cute. Thank you, Tara. Oh, that's a good idea. See, ocean advice. Oh my God. Oh, can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. Yes, yes, most definitely. Ocean air, salty hair. Oh, that's so pretty. Sometimes you just have to go with the waves. Yes, babe, yes. I love that print. That is gorgeous. All right, I have, oh, these are the veneer or wood embellishments. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's her surfboard shaker mix. Ooh, yes, the remix. That's a cute little pocket. Look what she did. Oh, that's so smart. Oh, I love this mix. Oh, I love this mix. That is so pretty. These are Cartwright sequins. Look at the little flower sequin right there. It's super tiny, guys. Super tiny. And then you got the embossed circles. Oh, this is so cute. I love her sticker. That's so cute. Thank you, Tara. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot thank you enough. You are a great shop find. Love it. I love the flowers. This was well worth the kit. I mean, I don't remember the price because I was just putting everything in my cart. But look, that's the paper collection, guys, that they turned into flowers. Oh, I love that. Thank you, Tara. There's 120 pieces in here. And then you got the crystals. Oh gosh, I've never used these crystals. Never. They're so pretty. They're faceted and everything. It's so pretty, guys. I don't even think the camera's going to do it justice. And here's ephemera. Yes! Oh, I love it. This is so easy. Just go to her shop, get the kits. Well worth it. Oh my God, I love this. Oh my gosh, guys. Should this be our next giveaway? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my goodness. What is my time here? I got 4 minutes. Oh my gosh. My other video. I got to get on the treadmill. That's why I'm trying to hurry. Anyway, I'll do a separate flip through in another video, but look at those amazing colors, guys. Look at that. There's still even cut aparts in there. Oh, look at those surfboards. Surfboard. Oh, there's my favorite print. Oh my God. If I could do my room that color, oh, it would be so perfect. Buy a surfboard and catch the waves. Yes, ma'am. Beautiful. 6 designs, double-sided. And you get 5 of each design or 5 of each. Oh my God. Chipboard stickers. Yes. Ooh, yes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Go check out Nurse Tara, urbangems.com. And I'll see you all on the next video. Oh, there's more. Oh, I even got the stickers and the other flowers. These are beautiful. Look at that. Oh. All right. Thank you all, ladies. And hopefully I'll see. And there's another one. Oh my God, I'm so... Oh, it's sunny days. She threw in an extra. Oh, Tara, thank you. Am I missing anything else? Okay, I think I got everything. Tara, thank you so, so much, girl. You don't even know. Please, guys, check her out. Urban Gems with a J. urbangems.com. Nurse Tara. Support our girls. Love you, ladies. Thank you all, and I hope to see you all in my next video.